Our today's question comes from Organization Design Level 5. Question on your screen. Discuss, with the use of examples, the extent of the relationship between employee engagement and employee well-being. 20 marks. Employee engagement is how much employees care about their work, while well-being is their health and happiness. The two are closely linked, as engaged employees are often happier, and well-being boosts engagement. This essay discusses 5 ways engagement and well-being are related, with examples. Firstly, engagement improves mental health. Engaged employees feel motivated, reducing stress. For example, a retailer like Target engages staff with recognition, improving their mental well-being. Secondly, well-being boosts engagement. Healthy employees are more committed. For instance, a tech firm like Google offers wellness programs like gym access, increasing employee engagement. Next, engagement creates a positive workplace. Engaged employees support each other, enhancing well-being. For example, a hospital like Bright Care Clinic with engaged nurses fosters a supportive environment, reducing burnout. Moreover, well-being supports productivity. Employees with good well-being work harder, staying engaged. For instance, a bank like National Bank of Malawi offering flexible hours improves teller well-being, boosting engagement. Finally, low engagement harms well-being. Disengaged employees feel stressed, lowering health. For example, a factory like Toyota with poor engagement sees workers feel unvalued, harming their well-being. In conclusion, employee engagement and well-being are strongly related, as engagement improves mental health, well-being boosts engagement, and they support positive workplaces and productivity, though low engagement can harm well-being. Examples from Target, Google, Bright Care Clinic, National Bank of Malawi, and Toyota show this link. Companies must promote both to create a healthy, motivated workforce.